Okay, so I'm doing a second review video because the first one I had this upside down and I couldn't figure out how to push this down and make it work. And that's because this is the bottom. So I'm gonna flip that. Now it is the correct way. So I already filled up one of my cups here with the ingredients from just a Pinterest recipe, and I'm already going to say I'm pushing the limits of the amount of liquid. I should do this first. That I should be able to have in here, the amount I should have in here. These are very sturdy cups, by the way. Max fill. See, I'm pushing limits, so I don't know if that's good or not. Okay, give me 1 second. Plug this in. Okay, plugged in. It is very grippy on the table. I'm a little nervous because I've never done this before, but you're supposed to be able to put it on. Okay, it's all the way on, it locks. See the little legs? And push it down. I'm nervous. That was so much stronger and faster and better than my normal blender. And easy. Really? Holy smokes. This is gonna be so much better than having to get the big blender out and like make your smoothies and then dump it all out and put it in cups. I can just make like an individual one in the morning or whatever. And blend it up and go. I think that's, I don't know how much more blending is going to get. Wow. Now I can really just change this lid and put on one of the to-go ones. Here, let me do that. Let me see. So I'm just taking this off. Wow, you guys, I'm literally so surprised. Yep, on my way to work, that took me literally all of 5 minutes to put this entire thing together, blend it, and have it ready to go. Ta-da. I can leave now. Wow, this is great. I would definitely recommend this. So much faster, easier. I feel like it's safe. You know, the push down technology. It's awesome. And these are very thick and sturdy. And I like that it comes with 2. So if maybe one's dirty or I wanted to bring 2, I can. Definitely